matcha is really having a moment right now. And if you're kind of exploring and trying out these matcha drinks, I'm here to encourage you to make your own. And I'm going to give you a little demo. But first, I want to talk about matcha because it's been around for a long time, but it's just kind of getting some buzz right now. We're seeing cafes do these specialty drinks. There are a few reasons you want to try making these at home. First off, when you buy a matcha at a cafe, if you're vegan, you're still probably getting charged for those non-dairy milks, which really sucks. It's time to change that out there, guys. Secondly, a lot of cafes use culinary matcha. Now, culinary matcha is just that. It's a grade of matcha that's meant to be used in baking, or cooking. And so it doesn't have the same flavor as a ceremonial grade matcha, which is like the best. I love matcha. I've been making lattes for well over a decade now. I'm like hooked. It's my thing. I love it. I have it every morning. And so I want to show you how to make it yourself. The other thing is when you buy matcha at a cafe, often they're adding a lot of sweetener and sometimes it's already in the mix so you can't take it out and it's just too darn sweet. So let's talk about matcha and then I'm going to give you a demo. First off, looking for matcha, you want to find a ceremonial grade. Now, I love You Matcha, and I'm going to share a link for you to buy You. You Matcha is really clean, it's vibrant, it's fresh, it tastes beautiful. If you're avoiding caffeine, You also has a decaf matcha. Which one is this? Yes, this is the decaf matcha. I wasn't sure if I picked up. So this is the regular matcha. This is the decaf. Now these are pouches. They also have individual servings, little packets that you can sprinkle in. I tend to use more than one serving. So I like to use the packets. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a matcha hog. Now, the other thing is if you haven't quite caught on to matcha, if you find it's like a little grassy, Sencha may be the way to go. It tends to be just a little more mellow, I find, than matcha, but still a similar green, it's a green tea and it has a similar flavor, but just maybe a little lighter note. So these three are game changers. If you want to go decaf, you have it, the original or Sencha. And I'm going to show you now how to make your own matcha latte. And of course, you could make it iced as well at home. Have a watch.